Presenting the 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.